Boxplot. A simple way of representing statistical data on a plot in which a rectangle is drawn to represent the second and third quartiles, usually with the vertical line inside to indicate the median value. The lower and upper quartiles are shown as horizontal lines either side of the rectangle. Advantages. 1. It is defined by mathematical formula. 2. It is based on all the observation in the data. 3. It is easy to calculate and easy to comprehend. 4. It is determined for almost every kind of data. 5. It is relatively stable statistics with the fluctuation of sampling, that is why it is universally used. 6. It is amendable to mathematical treatment. Disadvantages. 1. It is greatly affected by extreme value in the data. 2. It gives sometimes fallacious conclusion. 3. In a highly skewed distribution, the mean is not an appropriately measure of the average. 4. If the group data have open and classes, mean cannot be calculated without assuming the limits. Geometric means. Definition. Geometric mean is the mean or average, which indicates the central tendency or typical values of a set of numbers, by using the product of their values. Advantages. 1. It is defined by mathematical formula. 2. It is based on all observed values. 3. It is amendable to mathematical treatment in certain cases. 4. It is equal weightage to all the observation. 5. It is not much affected by sampling variability. Disadvantages. 1. It is neither easy to calculate nor to understand. 2. It vanishes if any observation is 0. 3. In case of negative values, it cannot be computed at all. Harmonic mean. Definition. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the values. Advantages. 1. It is defined by mathematical formula. 2. It is based on all the observation in the data set. 3. It is amendable to mathematical treatment. 4. It is not much affected by sampling variability. 5. It is an appropriate type for averaging rates and ratios. Disadvantages. 1. It is not readily understood. 2. It cannot be calculated if any of the observation is easy. 3. It gives too much weightage to the smaller observation. Median. Definition. It is defined as a value which divides a data set that have been ordered into two equal parts, one part comprising of observations greater than and the other part is smaller than it. Advantages. 1. It is easy to calculate and comprehend. 2. It is located even when the values are not capable of quantitative measurement. 3. It is not affected by extreme values. 4. In a highly skewed distribution, median is an appropriate average to use. Disadvantages. 1. It is not well defined. 2. It is not capable of lending itself to further statistical treatment. 3. It necessitates the arrangement of data into an array, which can be tedious and time-consuming for a large body of data. Mode. Definition. It is defined by the values, which occurs frequently in a data set. Advantages. 1. It is simply defined and easily calculated. In many cases it is extremely easy to locate the mode. 2. It is not affected by the abnormally large or small observation. 3. It can be determined for both the quantitative and the qualitative data. Disadvantages. 1. It is indeterminate and indefinite. 2. It is not based on all the observation made. 3. It is not capable of lending itself to further statistical treatment. 4. When the distribution consists of small number of values, the mode may not exist. Boxplot. A boxplot is a simple way of representing statistical data on a plot in which a rectangle is drawn to represent the second and third quartiles, usually with the vertical line inside to indicate the median value. The upper and lower quartiles are shown as horizontal line either side of rectangle. Taking example 3.13 for understanding. On SPSS, name two columns X and F. Now enter midpoints in X column and frequency in the F column. Data, then weight cases by F, then OK. Graph, then legacy dialogues, then boxplot. See the box plot.